Do you know about the fastest animals on Earth? Number 5. The Mexican free-tailed bat flaps at 160 kilometers per hour, just as fast as the Ford F-150 Raptor. Number 4. The Eurasian hobby flies at 160 kilometers per hour, similar to the Toyota RAV4. Number 3. The white-throated needletail swift zooms through the air at 169 kilometers per hour, comparable to the Honda Civic. Number 2. The golden eagle soars at 320 kilometers per hour, just like the Porsche 911 Turbo S. Number 1. The Peregrine Falcon outdives sports cars with speeds of 389 kilometers per hour, similar to the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport.
Subscribe.